Well, it's not really a new one. It's basically the same thing that was filed by the NASDAQ last week. This is in regards to improving the operation of Rule 6.5. And what Rule 6.5 is it involves the NBBO around the opening bell when it comes to options. And it's basically changing the way wide quotes work. So basically quotes with a really big bid-ask spread. So, by the way, with options, you never want to buy the ask, ever. Because if you do, you're paying a premium for the option contract up front, and it's going to be harder to get into profit. So anyways, this is very similar to the filing we saw to the NASDAQ, just changing the minimum amount that's possible with the bid-ask spread to prevent that large, wide quote from stealing your money. Basically, in a nutshell, the changes, they're going to be providing the same benefits that this rule provides to customers to non-customers. And they're going to be basically it's basically going to be providing additional protections to trading in certain circumstances immediately after the opening bell before liquidity has had a chance to enter the market. So this should be beneficial for all and should be enacted, I believe, in the next 30 to 45 days. So this should help that bid-ask spread in the morning. But again, if anything to take from this video, do not buy the ask with options. Not smart. You sell the ask with options. So anyways, you have a good one.